create a student mark list using if condition, and operator, and also comparison operators, and finally highlighting colors for some texts. By the way, subscribe to my channel Root 4M GTV. Let's start. I have a Excel sheet, as you can see here. This is the format. I have some students names already here and 6 number of subjects, total marks, average, pass or fail, and finally grade. Already given some marks to the students randomly. First of all, we need to find out the total marks obtained by the individual students. So for that, you just click here and press equal to sum of the curve bracket, and from this cell, that is Tamil to Python, and close the bracket and enter. Then automatically the sum will be shown. Now it's not required to apply the formula for individual cells. You just drag and drop until the last student. For doing that, you just keep your cursor in the end of this cell, and you will find a plus symbol. Just drag till the end, okay, and leave it. As you know, here already. Alright, okay, now we'll find the average. Similar thing you can do, equal to, but average can be done two different ways. Average can be taken from the total marks, or maybe selecting all the number of subjects. So I will go a simple method, sum of select similarly from Tamil to Python, and close the bracket, and divided by total number of subjects are 6. So that's it, and enter will automatically find the percentage. So this is the percentage. Alright, okay, same thing you can do, just drag and drop till the end, so automatically it will show the values. These are the percentage taken by the individual students. Okay, now the most important thing is that we need to figure out whether the student is really passed or failed the exam. For testing this, you need to apply if function. It's also called if condition. For this idea, what we have to do is we should not find the answer using average or total marks. Okay, first of all, understand this is the column says whether student is passed or failed. So we need to test individual subjects, right? So first of all, everybody knows that there is a minimum marks to be obtained for getting pass, and then it goes higher and higher for getting more grades, right? So minimum pass should be, so let's keep, for example, 50 is the minimum pass for all the subjects individually, so that student should take 50 marks in each of the subject, then only is passing, otherwise failing, right? Suppose for example, student Kamal has taken 100 in all the subjects, and in one of the subject he took below 50, still he is failing, right? That is the concept. So we will apply now. So how to apply? So select this cell. Instead of typing here, I am going to type in the formula bar. Okay, here you can type here as well, it's not a problem. It will not be visible for you clearly, so I am typing here. Okay, first press equal to. Everything I'll put in capital letters. It's not required to do it in capital. For your views, I'm typing in capital. So type if open a bracket, and it shows automatically something like a logical test value if true or false, like that. Okay, first we will see one of the logical tests is called and, A and B, and again open the bracket. So we need to give different logics, like as I mentioned, individually students should pass. So select individual subjects. So I'm just selecting this 60. So you can see here automatically the cell number has been arrived, so it is D9. So D9 is greater than equal to. So what is this exactly? Greater than equal to. This is a comparison operators. Okay, greater than, equal to, lesser than equal to, not equal to. These are the comparison operators. Okay, so I'm using this comparison operator to test. So already I said 50 is the minimum pass marks, right? Okay, then put a comma. And the second logic, you just select the second subject, marks, same thing, greater than equal to 50. Same way you have to do for all the subjects, so that the system will test whether all the subject is greater than or equal to 50 or not. Okay, okay, done. So logic is completed. So just sorry, have to then close this, and then the logic we have given already, that is any cells having greater than or equal to 50, then he will be passing, otherwise failing. So in that case, put a comma here after the bracket. So you have to give, it's suppose if all these test is passing, then it should be pass, otherwise it's fail. That is the thing. Okay, so now you must be knowing that what is the purpose of using and. That means we are giving the different logics, I mean the same logic for different columns, but the logic is same. All the columns should have 50 marks minimum, then only you will get answer for and. Suppose any changes, then different answer you will get, that is fail. Okay, after this, double quotes, type pass, close the code and put again. So if the logic is correct, then pass, otherwise it's fail. So again, different logic is not required. Okay, just type fail and finally close the bracket. Okay, and then press enter. The moment you press enter, uh, the pass comes automatically. Let me change some value here, for example 49. Okay, look, automatically fail is coming. I will show you how the color is changing in the later part. Okay, so let me put 49.999999 something, still it will be failing. Okay, remember this. So it should be exactly 50, then only the student is passing. So that should apply for all the cells. Okay, done. So same thing, I'm just dragging and dropping till the end. Okay, somebody is failed. Look here, 45, 45. Okay, all right. This is how you will find out whether pass or fail using if and operator. Okay, now next we will go to grade. Grade is also similar kind of if and, but it's going to be like a nested if. Nested if is nothing but a main if will be there, like here, and inside the if, another if statements comes. Okay, that is how it is going to be. Okay, let's put equal to, let me type here, equal to if, open a bracket, type and open a bracket once again. Now you have to be very careful. This test is not going to be, it's not required to be to select individually, right? Because the grade is based on the overall percentage you will get. So you can just select percentage alone, and then you can apply the comparison operator. Same thing I'm doing, greater than or equal to. Let's say, for example, we'll keep certain ranges. Suppose anybody's marks is 100 to 90 is grade A, then 90 to 80 grade B, 80 to 70. Likewise, we will give the range of marks. So based on that, it will apply whether the student is grade A or B or C or D or any other. Okay, so let me start with 90. So why I'm starting with 90? It's already says like greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to. So 90 is equal to. Even more than that, till 100 it will take automatically. Okay, greater than or equal to 90, and close the bracket and put one comma, and then you have to give the answer, what answer you have to get. So as I mentioned, if anybody's marks is 90 to 100, so is grade A, and put a comma. So same thing again, you type if, open a bracket, and again open a bracket, and then you can give the same, okay, K9 where the actual then later on we can drag and drop. Greater than equal to 80, close the bracket and put a comma and double quotes, grade B. Okay, and put a comma again. Let me do one thing, just copy and paste to minimize my time. Okay, later on I'll do it. Okay, look here. So this is the one. So this should be 70. 70 means C grade, and then 60 D grade. One more time. 50. 50 is just pass, right? So just pass, maybe we can give uh, it's not required to give actually here already grade D. Anybody is below that, then we can give automatically, like whether he is having any different grade or not. Okay, so in that case that is not required. You can give the range 90, 80, 70, 60, and then the final one will be like no grade or maybe grade E, for example. Okay, so then you have to close it properly, because already we have opened multiple 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 4 times you need to close. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It can also show you different colors so that you can identify. Suppose if say it's not closed, you will find it easily with the colors. Okay, the last one always be like black color. Okay, then enter. Okay, got it. So looks like this. Now I'll drag and drop till here, and look here, see, some of them failed, but still they are in grade D because their marks is approximately 60 percentage, right? So more than 60 percentage, so that's why, but still the student is failing. Okay, fine. These things you can alter, like it's not only character, but also you can put grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, and finally like grade E. Like that also you can change the content as you wish. Okay, now I will show you how to give a color code uh, for 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 uh, for this. Okay, so for that you just select the column and then go to conditional formatting, and then select highlight cells rules, and then select equal to, and in the dialog box here you need to type what are the words is going to be coming in these cells, and based on the individual words you can give a different colors. So as I mentioned earlier, pass and fail only going to come. So pass means green color, fail means red color. So pass, type correctly, and then here you have to select a different color. There are default colors are available. Maybe if you want a different color you can go for a custom format. Okay, let me select it says like light red fill with dark red text. So the foreground and background both will come, so I'm just selecting that and click OK. That's it, right? Similarly the other things you can do, right? Okay, one time again I'll do. So pass, and then now I'll apply green color fill and click OK, and you can see here green color applied. So don't drag and drop just like that, right? Got it? So what you do is again you select highlight equal to and type here fail, and then select the particular color, maybe red color, right? Then click OK, right? This is how. So both what are the number of words is going to come, so that those words you have to put up in the conditional formatting, and then it automatically applies the different colors. Getting the point? Okay, fine. So let me change some values, whether it's going to take any effects. So look here, automatically I'm just passing this guy, and look, everybody is passing. Okay, let me put some more values, whether a grade is changing. As you can see here, maybe another 100 marks given for this guy, maybe 80, maybe 90. See, it's becoming D now. Another 100 grade, maybe here 90. C. Now this guy is getting A grade. So we just need to fill these values, change the values, so accordingly the entire operations will work, and you can understand easily whether students failing or passing. Okay, let me fail someone like 49. Just fail. What to say? This guy is not doing well nowadays, so it's getting fail mark. Okay, that's all. Okay, here also you can do like this, like A grade means different color, B grade means different color, like that. Let us proceed that as well. So same way, just select the cell where you want to apply and go to conditional formatting, select the first option, highlight cells rules, and then select equal to, and here you need to type A, just A, and then you can select different colors. This time I will go for custom format. When you click custom format, it will take few time to just appear. Okay, here you have other things also. You can change the format of the cell, or maybe different texts, size, font, and here some borders, or maybe no fill. Okay, let me proceed like say A means green color, and then OK, and again go here. B means say blue color, and click OK, and C, customize formatting. C maybe will put yellow color. Okay, as you can see here, automatically changed. So let's see finally for all the persons. D grade, D grade maybe pink probably. Okay, finally what we have given is E grade. E grade means fail, right? So let's put a red color and click OK. Okay, done. So now you just drag and drop till here. As you can see here, it's changed. Okay, let's say 100, 100, 90, 90, 90. This guy is doing very well. C grade A, grade B, and others are C. Let us put something like 49. Okay, so obviously is grade D demonized. Let's put 0 as well and see. Look here, it changed E. That means he is failing, but also his total grade is below. No, it's not applicable to 60. So that's why it's coming like this. All right, this is how you can create a students mark sheet, mark list, anything like that. Same concept you can also apply for different ideas. Maybe for example, suppose if you are wanting to find out the performance analysis for your employees, so you can put some grades for them, that is like some numbers based on like 0 to 10, 0 to 15, and their performances, and based on that you can test whether the performance is good or bad or worst, like that. So any ways you can apply this kind of ideas in Excel as you want. Okay, by the way, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel Root 4M GTV. See you in another video. Goodbye then.